Loose deck stairs causing safety hazards? You gotta make sure those stair stringers and treads are rock solid before someone ends up hurt. Okay, so first off, check the stair stringers for any cracks or rot, because if they're weak, your whole staircase is basically a disaster waiting to happen. Tighten any loose screws or nails that might be making your stairs wobble. Trust me, a few minutes with a drill can save a lot of trouble later. If you find the treads themselves are loose, pull them up and put in some fresh screws or even deck clips to keep them locked down tight. Make sure the stringers are properly attached to the deck frame with strong hardware like galvanized bolts, not just nails, because nails can pop out over time. Also, look under the stairs for any signs of wood decay or damage, especially if your deck is older or exposed to a lot of weather. If you spot damaged wood, replace it right away so your stairs don't weaken further. Adding some grip tape or anti-slip paint on the treads can make things safer, especially when it's wet or icy outside. Lastly, if you're unsure about the condition or how to fix it yourself, don't hesitate to call a pro who knows deck stairs well and can make sure everything's safe and sound. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with deck stairs is ignoring loose stair stringers, which leads to dangerous instability. Fix this by reinforcing stringers with new bolts and brackets. Another common problem is using nails instead of screws for treads, making them prone to popping loose. Switch to corrosion-resistant screws or deck clips for a long-lasting hold. The third issue is not checking for wood rot or damage regularly, which weakens both stringers and treads fast. You want to replace any damaged wood immediately to stop the problem from spreading and creating a bigger safety hazard. BigHomeProjects.com is all about hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. It also helps contractors find steady work by connecting them with real clients who need projects done right.